Hello students, in this video we will draw a question of sections of solids in which sectioning is done for a pentagonal pyramid which is resting on its base on HP. Let us read out the question. A right regular pentagonal pyramid of side length 20 mm and height 60 mm rests on its base on HP such that one of its sides is perpendicular to VP. A section plane perpendicular to VP bisects the axis at 30° to HP. Draw its projection, apparent view of the section, and true shape of the section. So basically in this question, first of all we will draw the projection of solid. We will draw the front view and top view of the pentagonal pyramid which is resting on its base on HP. And thereafter we will draw a section plane which is perpendicular to VP and is inclined at 30° to HP, and it is also bisecting the axis. And thereafter we will draw the apparent shape of the section and true shape of the section. So let us move to AutoCAD. Go to polygon command, number of sides 5, edge method, so you can just draw it for 20 mm. Increase the line weight. Draw perpendicular and find out the center. So you join one corner with the midpoint of, or you can say you are dropping a perpendicular on the opposite side. Okay, so let us trim it from here and trim it from here. So again go to line command, right? So you increase the line weight, Control V, let it be A, Control C, Control V, let it be B, let it be C, D, and E. Dimensioning linear. This is O. So this is the top view. Let us draw the front view also. First of all, draw the reference line. Control V, this is capital X. This is capital Y. Vertical line. Draw a line, center line from here. For center line, let us select some line from here. Let us say yes. This is the center line. Now on the center line, what was the height? Height is equal to 60 mm. So here you can mark a point. See, this is the end point. So join it over here. Select these lines. Control V. This will be A dash. This would be B dash E dash. This would be C dash D dash. And this is O dash. Dimension linear. This is equal to 60 mm. Just decrease the size of the dimensioning. Yes. Okay, so this is the figure, right? So we have drawn the projection of solid. So this much we have drawn, right? So now what we will be doing, first of all, we will be drawing this cutting plane, okay, which is bisecting the axis. So that bisecting the axis will be done from the center line. From here it will be done. Okay, so this is the center line coming. So it will be inclined at 30 degrees. So first of all, we will do this, and then we will mark these points. If you can see, can you see? We'll mark these points wherever it is intersecting the cutting plane lines. So from there, we will be drawing projection lines. Like this, we will be drawing projection lines wherever it will intersect these 2 and 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we will get this. And after that, we will come to this point. We will draw this parallel auxiliary plane we will be drawing, and then after that we will be drawing this. Okay, so let us start it. So if you can see, we have the center line. First of all, let us mark the midpoint of the center line. Is this the midpoint? Wait. Let us mark at 30 mm. So this is the midpoint. Let us mark it over here. This is it. Let us delete this. Right, so here you have to draw a line inclined at 30 degree. So at the rate, let it be 20 mm less than 30. Okay, and then you copy this, take this as the base point and you paste it over here. So this is the you can say the cutting plane line. Now let us do the dimensioning. This is 30 mm, then angular. Wait, draw a line. This is 30. Right, so after this, let us let us mark different points. First point, second point, and let it be third point. Okay, center, the center point, let us delete so we may not get confused. That is why. So wherever it is intersecting OA, OA dash, so there you name it as let it be 1 dash, decrease the size, let this be 1 dash, then this will be 2 dash 5 dash, right? Let us write it over here. Two dash 5 dash, and this will be 3 dash 4 dash. Right, so after this let us mark the projection lines. So from 1 dash I'll mark it on OA, then from 2 dash 5 dash I'll mark it on, means you just extend this vertical projection line like this. Now after this you identify that where is it matching. whatever is required to us. So here, like you can see, this will be, if I mark it over here, so this is for, this will be 1, this will be, make sure you are clicking where it is actually the point is there. Then second, third point, then fourth point, and this is the fifth point, right? So after this, let us join these, or let us write the labeling or nomenclature. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Then let us trim the extra lines. Just trim this. Just trim this. This. You can trim this also, because otherwise you will not be able to section it. Now you can join 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5, and 5 with 1. Then all the other extra lines you can trim. TR, press enter twice. Right. Increase the line weight of this also. Let us delete this center line, because you may get confused in this. Hatch command, this is hatch command. So select the pattern, go to this. So this is the pattern we need. So add pick point. Now you just see, you just place your okay. Then you click inside the figure, press enter. Now let us preview it. So under the preview, I feel that like this is, the distance between this is more. So again, you press escape key. Let us decrease the scale. Let it be 0.5. Press enter. Now it's okay, right? Actually, you might be thinking that it is, very dark, but when you go to layout, you just see it is very fine figure that will be visible. Okay. Now this was the first thing that we had drawn. Now what we will be doing, from here you just copy this. Okay, take this as wherever, from wherever you want to take it. So you just place it wherever your figure is ending over here. Like this is the last point where it is ending. So here you place it. Right. So let us move this figure somewhat downwards. Now select the line. So draw perpendicular lines from these 3 points on this line. So select this. Now, if when you will, I'll just move this on, my cursor on this line. This is the auxiliary plane line. And when I move, you just see, you will get a perpendicular at one point. So I'm moving it. Just see, can you see this perpendicular is written over here? So you just click over there. Okay. Then next, you just copy this, take this as the base point, place it over here. Again, you place it over here. So you'll get these perpendicular lines. Now this step is very important, and this you need to understand carefully. Okay, let us write there. X1, this is Y1. So now just draw lines from this XY line. Let us draw a line from this XY line to 1. Okay, and let us give it red color. Right. Now the same line you have to draw over here. So we will do it afterwards. First of all, let us draw these lines here. So then again draw a line from this to, first of all we will draw it for 5. Okay. Let it be yellow in color. Then again line command, draw it till 4. And let it be green in color. Right. So now what you need to do, you just copy these lines, select from here, copy command, take this as the base point and you place it over here. Again, you select this, copy command, take this as the base point and you place it over here. Select this, copy command, take this as base point and place it over. Now, just understand one thing, we will move to 2 and 3 afterwards. Okay, So if I would have drawn 2 first, so this 5, I would not be able to see this 5 then, right? Because this, if I draw a line for 2, that would overlap on 5 and even extend that. So this line of 5 will not be visible to me then. That is why I did not draw for 2 and 3. Now what I will do here, I will rotate these. Go to rotate command, take this as the base point, and you just see, I will, can you see this yellow color dotted line? So what I will do, this yellow, or I will click on x1 y1 line. So as I click on x1 y1 line, this will become perpendicular to x1 y1. Similarly, so click over here, go to rotate command, take this as the base point, and you click on x1 y1 line. Similarly, select this, rotate command, take this as the base point, and you place it over. Okay, then let us draw the lines for 2 and 3 also. So from here you draw a line till 2. Change the color. Again draw a line from this point to 3. Again let us change the color, let it be blue. So now again you select this, copy command, take this as the base point, and you paste it over here. Then select this, copy command, take this as the base point, and you place it over here. So again we will rotate these lines now. Go to rotate command, take this as base point, and you just either you make this yellow color dotted line coincide on x1 y1, or you just click on x1 y1 like this. Similarly here also, for this you just select this, go to rotate command, take this as the base point, and you click over x1 y1, right? So then go to point command, so click on these points. So now the ends for 2 and 3 are not visible to you, but when you move your cursor on this blue colored line, you will get an end point. Just see. Then let us see the end point on, just see, this is the end point, so click over here. So you have got 5 points. Let us join these points first. Let us increase the line weight also, otherwise we will forget to do it. So let us write. Now this will be, since it is a top view, okay, so we will write it as this will be 1 1. Let us copy this, Control C, Control V. This is 2 1. This is 3 1. This is 4-1. And this is 5-1. Right? So we have to section this also. So let us delete this line. Go to hatch command, add pick point, click inside this figure, press enter, press OK. So this, now you can see this figure almost we have completed. One thing more that we will be doing here, it is that the portion of this front view above this cutting plane will, we will not make it as this dark, since it is very dark over here. So what we will be doing, we will trim it first. So go to trim command to trim it from here. Okay, and this from here, this much, you can increase the line width, because this will be the actual figure that is visible to you now. This is the parent view of the section. Okay, and here this is the true shape of the section. Let us see how does it look in layout.